Fail-safe control valves. An important consideration in many systems is the position of the actuators when there is a loss of power for actuation, that is pneumatic, hydraulic or electrical power. Fail-safe pneumatic or hydraulic operated valves. Figure shows an example of a pneumatically or hydraulically operated globe valve design that can be configured to go to the open or closed position during a system failure. The modes of failure are determined by simply changing the spring position and the pressure port. The same diagram as shown in the previous slide, but slightly bigger for your reference. Here you can see that in this diagram the spring is at this position, and in the other diagram the spring is in this position. In this diagram air pressure is being given here, and in this diagram the air pressure is being given here. So you can see that in both the cases the pressure port and the spring position have been shifted. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. With the loss of operating pressure on the valve in shown figure will open. In figure, the globe valve is closed by applying pressure to the pressure port to oppose the spring action. If the system fails, that is, if there is a loss of pneumatic pressure, the spring acting on the piston will force the valve to revert back to its open position. With the loss of operating pressure on the valve shown in figure will close. In figure, the spring is removed from below the piston to a position above the system, and the inlet and exhaust ports are reversed. In this case, the valve is opened by the applied pressure working against the spring action. If the system fails and there is a loss of control pressure, the spring action will force the piston down and close the valve. Similar fail-safe electrically and hydraulically operated valves are available. Two-way and three-way fail-safe valves are also available, which can be configured to be in a specific position when the operating system fails. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. This lecture series is in loving memory of my late wife, Mrs. Ambika Chadha. Her maiden name was Pammi Mani.